Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Baldwin here with another video to help you deal with algebra. Today's video talks about how to solve subtraction equations. In order to do that, the most obvious thing I need to cover is the addition property of equality. The addition property of equality states that if I add the same value to both sides, the equation will remain equal. Once again, I am paraphrasing. So, if it is not exactly worded that way, please don't kill me in the comments. On the board in front of you, we have 3 examples. So I'm going to go over all 3 examples to make sure we understand it and there aren't any issues. For number 1, we have 16 equals a minus 14. So I'm going to add 14 to both sides of the equation. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to isolate the variable. I want to get the a by itself. So 16 plus 14 equals 30, and negative 14 plus 14 equals just a. So my answer is going to be 30 equals a. I could also understand that as subtracting a from something and then adding 14 to something will give me a by itself. Either way is fine. Number 2, b minus 13.7 equals 22.8. So I add 13.7 to both sides of the equation. I'm able to isolate the letter b on one side of the equation when I add 13.7 to negative 13.7, or the opposites. And on the right side of the equation, I get 22.8 plus 13.7, and that is going to give me 36.5. So my answer to the second equation is b equals 36.5. For my last example, I chose to use mixed numbers because I know how much students just love fractions. Said no student ever. So I have c minus 2 3/4 equals 6 1/2. I know I have to add 2 3/4 to both sides. Oops, I did not add the little line on the right side, but you know what I mean. So when I do that, I isolate and get the c by itself, but I wanted to put the extra steps in so you could see where the numbers came from. I can't add 6 1/2 plus 2 3/4 the way they are, so I find the common denominator. That gives me 6 2/4 plus 2 3/4. That gives me an answer of 8 5/4, but that's an improper fraction. So I change the 5/4 to 1 1/4 and add 8 to it to get a final answer of 9 1/4. So my final answer for number 3 is c equals 9 1/4. Yes, that was a little bit harder. My point is just so you can be exposed to different kinds of problems and understand you're still using the addition property of equality. As always, have a great day. I hope this helped you out with your lessons. I hope these videos have been of some use. And as always, be well, be safe, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.